Hello children, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do yet another word problem on square and square roots. Find the cost of fencing a square plot of area 11,025 square meter at the rate of rupees 85 per meter. So here we have been given information that it is a square plot and it is having an area of 11,025 square meter, and they have asked us what is the cost of fencing. So children, we know that this is a square plot and the area inside this is 11,025 meter square, right? And where do we put the fencing? We put the fencing on the boundary, right? So for this we have to find perimeter. And how will we get perimeter? Because perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So we have to find the side of a square first. And this is where area of 11,025 is going to help us. Because we know that area is equal to side into side. So area is equal to 11,025 is equal to side square. So side will be square root of 11,025. So if we find the square root of 11,025, we will get the side of a square. So here I have done prime factorization. As you can see, 11,025 is equal to 3 into 3, 5 into 5 and 7 into 7. So let us take them pairs, 3, 5 and 7. So as they have been formed in pairs, that means it is a perfect square. So 3 into 5 into 7 is 105 meter, because area is meter square. So of course the side also will be in meters. So now we have got what is the side of a square. So the side is 105 meter. So once you know what is the side, it is very easy to find out what is the perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4 into S. So let us go to the next step. Perimeter is equal to 4 into S, that is 4 into 105 meter, which is equal to 420 meter. So we have found out side, we have found out perimeter. So that means the fencing has to be done for 420 meter. Now we have come to the last part of the question. Find the cost. So we have to find how much we have to pay if the rate is 85 rupees per meter. That means our third step. Our third step is to find the cost. So for 1 meter we have to shell out 85 rupees. So 1 meter 85 rupees. So to fence 420 meter, because that is the perimeter. So to fence 420 meter, what will be the cost? So if you can see, it is a case of cross multiplication. So 420 into 85 will give you the cost of fencing. So let us do 420 into 85 is equal to 35,700 rupees. So this is the cost of fencing the square plot. So this will be our first step to find the side. This will be our second step. With the help of side, find the perimeter, and with the help of the perimeter and the cost given, we will find the total cost. Hope you understood this, children. See you in the next class.